duplicate characters and given string. This given string, we need to identify the duplicate characters. Okay. For the duplicate character to identify this string, whole string, it is one indexes. Okay. So you need to be stored into the this string into the individual array. Okay. So that we can able to iterate the values by using the str dot to char array. By using to char array, we are able to store it to the each letter as in a single character as in indexes. Okay, how it will going to store it is by in the form of char. See, it is j a. These are each indexes, it is going to store into the each individual values. Okay, this is the way we are going to achieve for the indexes. Okay, these indexes, and to we are going to comparing the values. Okay, from where I need to compare, I'm going to take as an uh, map. Okay, and in integer I'm going to take an integer. Okay, why I'm going to taking is to count the how many characters is um, hash hash map. Okay, so that's what I'm going to take as a character and integer. Okay, for the count, to count the values. Okay, then we need to go import. Okay, I need to import here. So these character use see these individual character we need to by looping only we are able to achieve for this one. For each record we need to check whether record is available or not in the map. Okay, how in the if you each record we need to go and check into the map whether record is available or not. If not, then we need to insert the record. But second time, when again second time loop it is running, second time it will go and insert the increase the count. Okay, like that I am going to that key value plus one and it is increase the count. Okay, so that uh, no, we can able to count the how many times it and how many times we need to insert the record, right? It is for example first letter, it is a J letter. First time, first time it will come with contains the key. No, it doesn't contain. Then it will go and insert the record so that each record it will going to insert. The second time when it is come to J and then V A also not there, so then again it will insert V also not there, then again again it is come to the A it is contains the record, yes, then A value will become a already record it is there. The second time when we are going to value 1 plus 1 means 2, A value equals to become a 2. Okay, because of it is already one time it is there, second time and third time and fourth time. Okay, so record like that it will going to count. Okay, finally I'm going to print the record map, how it is going to display. Okay, so now a equal to 4 and 2 equals okay, because a is equal to 4 times it will repeat and 4 equal to 3 times we are going to drive and like the video and can to get the second part of one video you need to follow the channel. Okay, so second part it will come. Okay, thank you.